Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon TS5350. Now this can be done directly from the printer. You don't need to worry about the buttons on the front to go through any menus or anything. You just physically change the cartridges. The printer knows what you're doing. So you've got the scanner bed at the top, don't want to be lifting there, but just a little bit lower you've got recesses on the left and the right. So pop your fingers in there, lift it, flip it up, and your printer should automatically hold it up there. If you take it too high it can drift all the way back down, but hopefully it'll just stay up like mine has. As I say, the printer knows you've opened it and it'll move the cartridges over into the replacement position where it kind of dips in a little bit like this, because otherwise you can't get it. It's a bit hiding under there. So when the cartridges are slid over, it's important you leave them to make sure they're not moving about, because they do tend to a little bit. The message on the screen will change. Cover is open, ink cartridges can be replaced. That's a sign that you're not going to get your hand in there and all of a sudden have them move. So, for whichever one you want to replace, mark C for colour, B for black. I'll do black for argument's sake. Press here to compress it. It pops right open. And then just reach in, move the cartridge like that. Get your new cartridge, pop them in, sits down the back, click it down, and then you're done. Just press up on the lid again, it'll drift down as I mentioned earlier, and you're done. Your printer will change to the message processing, please wait momentarily. It's just checking it's happy with the cartridge and wants to carry on printing with them, but presuming it is, you're done. But that's pretty much all there is to see. If you found this useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye.